Presenting OnePlus Buds Pro 2, Bluetooth truly wireless in-ear earbuds in the color arbor green. It is also available in the color obsidian black. Get instantaneous pairing with OnePlus smartphone as soon as you open the charging case lid. The earbud has IP55 water, dust and sweat resistant. Get up to 48 decibel ultra-wide frequency noise cancellation system with personalized ANC worry-free. Drop the bass and listen to clear vocals with dual 11mm plus 6mm dual drivers, delivering a precisely boosted sound profile designed to move you. Enjoy spatial audio with dynamic head tracking feature that helps you experience sounds on a whole new level. Enjoy up to 40 hours of music and a quick charging of 10 minutes for 3 hours of playtime. Designed with 3 mix with ANC call noise reduction. Personalize your audio via a simple listening test at first time setup. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.